Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Before we get into the video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is an unboxing and first impression of the Dyson Supersonic. Now, let's see what I think about this baby. So, what does it say on the box here? It's for styling. It has a styling concentrator, gentle air attachment, diffuser. It has the wide tooth comb. What is this over here? It also has a flyaway attachment. Smooths and hides flyaways using the Kwanda effect. Ooh, what's that? Don't laugh at me. I almost couldn't say that, but that's okay. Let's see here. Let's look at this baby. Pretty nice. And of course, the colors on it are beautiful. That pink and charcoal gray look really nice on this. Let's sit it up here. Ooh, look at the box. Let's get that thing off. Sit it to the side. Okay, now. Okay. This is the inner box. That's what the inner workings look like. It's skeleton. Let's get this thing open. Trying to hold the camera and get it open is a chore, guys. So let's see here. What's in here? There's a little thing to hold the neck of it. And here it is itself already. Set that down. What do we have here? Oh no. Oh, it's the power cord. Oh, power cord is kind of thick. Power cord's kind of thick. But it's okay. What else do we have here? Just the box. Okay, let's look at it itself. Sort of lightweight. It's not as heavy as the regular back in the day blow dryers. Pretty nice. Lightweight. Love the colors. The colors are what got me. Beautiful. Has the cold air button. You could turn up the heat up and down here. Okay. I like it. Pretty lightweight. Cord's kind of heavy, but nothing we can't work with there. Ooh, I love the color again. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's set that to the side. What else comes in this box? Let's see what else we got here. We have what was that thing called? It is the diffuser. That's what that is. That's that one. That is the diffuser in here in this box. What else do we got here? We also have, Oh, yep. It comes with everything it says it comes with. It comes with this flyaway attachment, the diffuser. Comes with the styling concentrator. I'm not gonna take these out yet, but I'm looking forward to using this one. My hair is kind of kinky, so looking forward to see how these are going to work for my hair. I'm not going to open all of those yet. But pretty nice. They did a pretty good job with packaging. They made it look important. That's all that matters. Looks pretty nice. Let's get that back in there. Focus on the dryer itself, huh? Okay, now the dryer itself. Like I said before, it's lightweight. Doesn't seem like it'll cause too much of a problem for like turning around to the back of your hair. The color is what gets me. I'll say it again. Love that hot pink and that charcoal gray. I'm going to come back with a video using it for the first time, because I love this thing already. I love the look. It's really lightweight. Take a good look at it. Next time you see it, I'll be using it. But like I said, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll be coming back with a lot more videos, a lot more unboxings, a lot more Moxie videos. Bear with me, I'm just getting into this. I'm a little shy, but thank you.